How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home. But today we are having a Scentbird bag unboxing. If you want to know what perfume I have in here and a little bit more about it, you have to stay watching. Alright guys, so Scentbird is a monthly subscription bag that comes to your home for $14.95 per month. Now, it's a perfume made for women and men, so don't get it twisted. They have cologne for men too. $14.95 is what you will be paying. You will get a little, for the first time, a little bag. You will get a velvet black little bag. You will get a little atomizer, which looks something like this. But you put your vial inside, you twist, then the perfume little sprayer comes around in a little hole and you get to spray it. Here is the container that you get after you subscribe, and it looks like this. And it's a carton one, so it can protect your vial. Now for that extra little, atomizer metal container, you will have to pay $10 extra and choose, the colors are red. But other than that, if you don't, you just pay the $14.95. You will get one of these. And by the way, this is a 5-day use, and you can still see how much I have. And this is Versace. This is the perfume that I got this month. Now, this is a 30-day supplies. I love the card. And then you get your little card with your information, tones, and all that stuff with it. So I got Versace, and this says it's a double infusion of jasmine petals and sandbag, absolute sensuality wrapped around a provocative pomegranate accord, and absolute must for jasmine fans. So if you like jasmine, then this is the one for you. Now, the scent that you pick up or the tones that they use to create this perfume is lemon, peony, pomegranate, jasmine, and musk. So definitely I must say that I smell musk. Now, must say that this perfume, along with the one that I got last month, another one that I showed you guys in my last video, because that one was when I subscribed, and I believe the second one, it was the second one I got. But last month I received my subscription, but I didn't have no chance to come in here and show you. But there's a referral link in the subscription box in the description box below. If you want to check it out, we'll take you to the website and all that goody information that you need. Now, must say, because people will tell me, you should get money out of this. I got like 3 little inbox messages and privately asking me that, telling me that I am promoting a company because I get paid. No, I pay my $14.95. However, I got a referral that I share with you guys. Referral link that I share with you guys that if you do join, I get a free vial. Just putting that out there. So last month, this month, and 2 more months coming up, I will be receiving free perfume because I check my quick and it says free. So being that said, thank you for those that subscribe and use the referral link, because we rock. And I get to try a perfume for free without paying. So yeah, that's my perk. I don't get paid for giving you a referral, a link for you to subscribe. But I do get a free perfume. Yes, that's one of the perks. So anyways, being that said, that was my Versace Scentbird bag subscription of the month. So thank you for watching. I see you in the next one.